Do you struggle to shut the doors on your classic BMW? Here is a quick fix. The reason why the door of your classic BMW might not shut properly might be to this. It is the buffer on your door lock. It's either missing or it is very worn. And if you look on this door here, it is actually missing. But not to worry, you can still find these from BMW, new and original parts. You can get a set of 4 of these for about £20, and you just remove the old one and put the new one back in. And hey presto, the door shuts properly. Thank you very much for watching.